Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So today I just have a very quick tutorial for you. I'm just working in my composition book, and I wanted a quote about not giving up. So I wanted to incorporate that into my journal. So I just pulled out some paints. I'm working in a composition book. I didn't glue the papers together, but once you build it up with acrylic paint, the pages get a little bit thick. You just have to be a little bit gentle. So I'm going to start out with some turquoise and some yellow, which I love that color combination. If you add a little white, then you get all these variations of color. And I'm going to use some recycled objects. So I have like a bottle cap that I'm going to use and some bubble wrap, and I'm just going to kind of keep building up the layers for this, and then I'm going to add some drips and some splatters. So it's a really fun technique. And lastly, I will print out my quote, which is by Babe Ruth, and I'm going to glue that down to my page. So I hope you guys are having a great day. This is a quick one today, but I love sharing these with you guys too. And I hope you enjoy the video. Please share this video with your friends. You can pin it on Pinterest or share it on Facebook. It really helps me to be discovered as an artist, and I would be very grateful and appreciative. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you for the next video. Bye bye.